All right, Aaron, I'm going to show you a quick way to get Adobe Flash running on your browser. So go to Safari. Make sure you have a Safari window as the frontmost window. And then I want you to go up to where it says Safari up in the upper left-hand corner. Select it and select Preferences. You'll get the Preferences window. And I want you to select among all of these icons the one that says Websites. And if you scroll down, you'll see under Plugins one labeled Adobe Flash Player, and it's unchecked. Go ahead and check that. And that should take care of it. So just close Preferences. You can, if you want to, you can quit Safari and do what we did before. Just double click on that icon in the email and see if it works for you. If it doesn't work, let me know. Bye.